Hey y'all.
Hey.
So I'm coming to you today to show you how my chickens act when they eat spaghetti noodles. We decided we was going to give them a little treat.
How about it?
It's like giant worms. Oh my god.
Get you some, Patrick.
Go ahead, little Patrick Swayze, get you some noodles. Don't be shy. Normally they would be tearing it up.
Charles was too close to him. Well, Red said, I don't care. I'm going back and get
Red
it
said,
all.
I'm going to go get some more. She takes it off the plate and takes it to the side to eat it so nobody can take it.
There you go, Patrick Swayze.
I'm gonna clean out their water. It's empty, I think.
No, I just put water in it yesterday.
Salsa?
What's the matter, little Patrick Swayze? You can't handle a little noodle?
Nope.
Ew, is that doodle, bro?
Probably.
Why y'all keep doodling in y'all's water source? Y'all is nasty.
Red be loving those.
Got a whole life.
Go ahead, girl. You eat as many as you want.
Ew, this nasty. Why is it so brown?
Take it outside and dump it out.
Y'all don't mind my son over there.
I'm not a son. I'm a donkey.
I'll help you with it.
All right, that's enough fun for now.